Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the incredible benefits of turmeric. This bright yellow spice, a staple in Indian cuisine, is more than just a flavor enhancer. It's packed with powerful compounds that can seriously upgrade your health. We're talking about fighting inflammation, boosting your immune system, and even giving your brain a boost. Make sure to stick around till the end and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing content. So let's talk about inflammation. It's a term we hear often, but do we really understand what it means? Inflammation is your body's natural response to injury or infection. It's like your body's alarm system, signaling that something is wrong and needs attention. It's your body's natural response to injury or infection, right? When you get a cut or catch a cold, your body sends white blood cells to the rescue. These cells help fight off the invaders and start the healing process. This is acute inflammation and it's a good thing. But when it becomes chronic, it's like having a low-grade fire burning inside you 24/7, messing with everything. Chronic inflammation can lead to a host of health problems, from heart disease to diabetes and even cancer. It's like your body is constantly under attack and it can't catch a break. This is where turmeric steps in with its secret weapon curcumin. Turmeric, a golden spice often used in cooking, has been celebrated for its medicinal properties for centuries. Curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric, is a powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. Curcumin is like the Chuck Norris of antioxidants, man. It doesn't just sit back and watch, it actively goes in and fights off those harmful free radicals and inflammatory agents. It's been shown to reduce inflammation and improve symptoms of various inflammatory conditions. It goes in and neutralizes those inflammatory bad boys, bringing you back from the brink. Imagine feeling relief from chronic pain, swelling and discomfort. That's the power of curcumin at work, helping you regain your quality of life. We're talking about real relief from conditions like arthritis, joint pain, and even some inflammatory bowel diseases. People who incorporate turmeric into their daily routine often report significant improvements in their symptoms and overall well-being. It's like nature's own ibuprofen, but without the side effects. Unlike some over-the-counter medications, turmeric doesn't come with a long list of potential side effects. It's a natural, holistic approach to managing inflammation and promoting health. Now let's talk about your immune system, the army inside you fighting off invaders 24/7. Turmeric is like giving that army a serious upgrade. Curcumin, that powerful antioxidant we talked about, also has incredible immunomodulatory effects. That means it helps regulate your immune system, making sure it's firing on all cylinders when it needs to. It's like having a personal trainer for your immune cells, getting them ripped and ready to fight off infections. So if you're prone to catching every cold and flu going around, turmeric might be your new best friend. Let's talk about your brain for a second. It's an incredible organ, isn't it? The control center of your body, managing everything from your heartbeat to your thoughts and emotions. It's like the most complex organ in your body, responsible for everything you do, think, and feel. Imagine the brain as a supercomputer, processing countless bits of information every second. It's truly a marvel of nature. And guess what? Turmeric can give it a serious upgrade. This golden spice, often found in your kitchen, holds the key to boosting your brain power. It's not just for curries anymore. Curcumin, that superhero compound, can cross the blood-brain barrier, meaning it can directly impact your brain cells. This is huge because not many substances can do that. It's like having a VIP pass to the most exclusive club in your body. Studies have shown that turmeric can improve memory, enhance learning, and even protect against cognitive decline. Imagine being able to remember names, dates, and facts more easily, or learning new skills faster. It's like having a secret weapon for your brain. It's like giving your brain a shot of espresso, man. But instead of a temporary caffeine buzz, turmeric offers long-term benefits. It helps keep your brain alert and focused, ready to tackle any challenge. So if you're looking to sharpen your mind and stay sharp as a tack, turmeric is your go-to. Incorporate it into your diet, whether through food, smoothies, or supplements, and give your brain the boost it deserves. Your future self will thank you. Chapter 4. Arthritis, man. It's one of the most common health issues out there, affecting millions of people. It's like having rusty hinges in your joints, making every movement a painful ordeal. But here's the good news, turmeric can help. Remember curcumin, the inflammation killer? It works wonders for arthritis too. By reducing inflammation in the joints, turmeric can alleviate pain, stiffness, and improve mobility. It's like oiling those rusty hinges, making movement smoother and less painful. So, if you're struggling with arthritis, turmeric might be the natural remedy you've been searching for. Chapter 5. Turmeric, your gut's best friend. Let's talk about your gut for a minute. It's an incredibly complex system that does so much more than just process the food you eat. Your gut is home to trillions of bacteria that play a crucial role in your overall health. From breaking down food to absorbing nutrients and even supporting your immune system, your gut is a powerhouse. It's like the second brain of your body, responsible for so much more than just digestion. The gut-brain connection is a fascinating area of study, revealing how closely linked our digestive system is to our mental well-being. When your gut is happy, it sends positive signals to your brain, and vice versa. And guess what? Turmeric can work wonders for your gut health too. This golden spice, often found in curry and other dishes, has been used for centuries in traditional medicine. Its active compound, curcumin, is known for its powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It's like a soothing balm for your digestive system, reducing inflammation, easing bloating, and promoting regularity. Imagine having a natural remedy that not only adds flavor to your meals, but also supports your gut health. Turmeric can help maintain a balanced gut microbiome, which is essential for optimal digestion. Studies have shown that turmeric can be beneficial for people with irritable bowel syndrome, a condition that affects millions. By reducing inflammation in the gut, turmeric can help alleviate some of the discomfort associated with IBS, such as abdominal pain and irregular bowel movements. It's like giving your gut a warm hug, man. Incorporating turmeric into your daily routine can be a simple yet effective way to support your digestive health. Whether you add it to your meals, take it as a supplement, or enjoy it in a soothing tea, your gut will thank you. So if you're looking to improve your digestion and keep your gut happy, turmeric is your go-to spice. Embrace this golden wonder and let it work its magic on your digestive system. Your gut will be your best friend, and you'll feel the difference in your overall well-being. Now let's talk about something serious: cancer. It's a scary word, but turmeric might hold some promising potential in the fight against this disease. Studies have shown that curcumin, that powerhouse compound we keep talking about, can inhibit the growth of cancer cells and even induce apoptosis, which is basically programmed cell death for cancer cells. Now, I'm not saying turmeric is a cure for cancer, but it's definitely a powerful ally to have on your side. It's like having a secret weapon in the fight against this devastating disease. Chapter 7. Turmeric for a healthy heart. Last but not least, let's talk about your heart, the engine that keeps you going. Turmeric can give your heart some serious love too. Studies have shown that curcumin can help lower bad cholesterol levels, reduce blood pressure, and improve overall cardiovascular health. It's like giving your heart a tune-up, making sure it's running smoothly for years to come. So, if you're looking to keep your ticker in tip-top shape, turmeric is your friend. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. We just scratched the surface of what turmeric can do. This golden spice is a true gift from nature, packed with health benefits that can transform your life. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Hit the bell icon to get notified every time we post a new video. See you next time.